Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Zionsville, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're looking for a seasoned residential mover in Zionsville, Indiana, you've come to the perfect place. 3 Movers is a privately owned moving company with a long history of successfully transporting residents. We understand how inconvenient and difficult a home move can be. That's why we're committed to supporting people that require our assistance. We're also dedicated to providing the best home moving services to current and future Zionsville residents. Working with us gives you the opportunity to acquire a quote for your home move. We will schedule a visit to your home so that we can assess the scope of your move. 3 Movers is a typical Indiana moving company. Because of many years of experience in the moving industry, we're confident that we'll meet your moving demands. We've learned over time how critical it is to keep your business running while the office equipment and other items are being relocated. This is a critical component of a successful office relocation. Our office movers will work around your regular office hours at no extra charge to ensure that your projects are not affected throughout the transfer. 3 Movers are willing to go the extra mile to ensure your success. We've also assisted with the relocation of schools, libraries, government establishments, offices, local marts, and a variety of other business stations as large or small-scale office moves. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Zionsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.